September 2019. I had been burning the midnight oil, trying to track the movements of my nemesis, discount realtor Rex Finnegan. He'd been conning the whole West Side, telling people that they'd save money when one home after another sold for less than it was worth. Did these people have potatoes in their ears? Or were they just lulled into trance by Rex's silver tongue and empty promises? Usually playing Glenn Miller eased my mind, but not this time. This time was different. There had to be a pattern. He'd started in the neighborhoods around Realtor Rock and slowly worked his way south along the river. He jumped the state line and left a string of widows crying in Morningside, and then sold a 3-bedroom for peanuts. Literally, a person bought it with peanuts. He'd sent me the shells to rub it in my face. If I could figure out where he was going, then I'd be able to get the next clients first. Show them the value of choosing a realtor who actually cares about making them a profit. Someone who knows the ebbs and flows of the market. Someone who... Wait a second. Could it be? He's south along the river. Widows crying in Morningside. Moondowns kept floating in my head. He's headed back to Realtor's Rock. I've got you now, Rex Finnegan. No more watered-down service packaged as a discount. I'd bring value to the sellers of the DC metro area once again, even if I had to risk it all.